Okay, we got our charcoal chimney here. What we're gonna do, just gonna turn it upside down, put some paper in it. You can use newspapers, Christmas wrapping paper, just whatever you have. This was just the empty bag of Kingsford that we have. Okay, and you get your paper in there. We just want to turn it over, put it down. And we want to fill it full of charcoal. Okay. All right, and next thing we want to do is put some fire under it. And we're unprepared and don't have our fire. A match will do, a lighter will do. We just happen to have a torch. Might want to light it in several places. We'll give that a few minutes to catch up, and once we get a good thing going, you can see it's already coming through, so we'll just give it just a few minutes here. We've got flame down in the bottom of it. And that's going to catch all that paper on fire, and in turn it'll send that fire right on up into the chimney. And we'll wait for it to get real good and hot. You know when it's ready when your briquettes on the very top start turning that ashy gray, then you know you've really got it. Also want you to know that this chimney, right, you see this rust line is where we've used it before. But this thing will get red hot, so you want to be very careful if you've got children around that they don't touch it. And once you empty your briquettes out, it will be hot for some time, and you want to be careful that they don't get into it then. So let's let this thing cook a while and burn and get caught up very well, and then we'll show you what's next. Okay, it's going good. The flame underneath it's going. It's got the briquettes going good. Just want to give you a show what it's looking like. If this is where you're at so far, you're doing nothing wrong. Just keep going. Just want to show you what's going on in there. You should have something just like that happening. Some red, it's putting off lots and lots of heat. So, just be patient. Okay, just a few more minutes just went by. I can't even hardly stand to put my hand over this, but you can see this. It's just about ready. We added a few more briquettes down on there, but you can see like right there, that ash, they're starting to turn ashy and gray. These are just about ready. If this was nighttime, this would have a flame, oh, about this high coming out of the top of it, and it is super hot. So this is just a good alternative way to heat your briquettes up, especially not using lighter fluid. Because lighter fluid is nasty tasting. So what we're going to do here just in a few minutes is we're going to take off this top grate, move it out of the way. We'll release our charcoals down on the bottom, and Hoss is going to cook a meal tonight. So we just wanted to show you how to use one of these. If I think about it, we may video dropping these out and getting them set if I remember. Cool. Okay, everything's good. Andrew's going to go ahead and pick it up and move the grate. He can just set that aside, whatever he needs to do. Here we go. Now, as you're cooking, you can just keep adding briquettes to it, just whatever you need to do. And that's how it works. And he'll put that grate back on top of it. And then hopefully he'll cook us some meat.